Yes, my part 2 don come. Na my part 2 be this one again, for how I find myself as an asylum seeker in Germany. And the part 2 because I no fit finish am today. Na im make am I can't do am another day. Say make I continue. Na I continue, so make una lis ten. E no go too much. This one no go too much again. Because me too, I no dey fit watch wetin too much. Abeg, make una subscribe, make una like, share this video. Abeg una be my family, una be my friend, una be my sister. Share this video for me. Share am for me. Share this video, abeg una. Na beg I dey beg. Na my country, make una lis ten. Na the continue of part 2 of how I find myself as an asylum seeker in Germany. Yes, my people, I stop in part 1. If you greet them on the street, they will not answer you. The white people will not answer you. They can even run away from you. They can run away from you. They can run away from you. So this part 2 of my how I find myself as an asylum seeker. Now be this one now. They will not answer your greeting on the street. When they see you, they think that you are a masquerade. They will run from you. They will even be somebody that has sickness. Somebody that has sickness, deadly sickness, they will put it among you. You will not know because they don't care about you. I'm telling you people that asylum house is not a place you're supposed to stay. You're supposed to be boasting of. You're supposed to be there to be making trouble. You are not supposed to be in asylum house and be making trouble, because asylum house is not the best place for a really human being to stay. Because asylum house, prison yard, I keep saying it, is better than asylum house. A place that when you will not have peace, a place that they will, wherever they monitor your movement, a place that you cannot travel, a place they control you, a place they leave you with your grown-up children in the same room, even though even if your children are 12 years, 14 years, they still live there in the same room with you. They don't care about you. A place that if you are sick, they abandon you. A place they neglect you. Is that supposed to be where a real human being is supposed to stay? A place whereby our black will not even listen. They will not hear. Especially our Nigerian people. All they do is to have children upon children, as if they are eating children. Why? God did not say, God said we should have children, but God did not say we should bring up children to come and suffer when you don't have money to take care of them. By the time you are being deported tomorrow, or by the time they say go back to wherever you came from, what will you do with those children? You start to suffer those children. You start to suffer them, innocent children. Even if you are receiving, why are you having those children? I'm not against you having children, but why will you have 6 children? Why will you have 5 children? The Dutch people, do they have 5 children? The Dutch people have 6 children. Dutch people don't even have 4 children. Why can't you have the children you can take care of? If you are working, can you have 6 children? Can you have 7 children? If you are if you are working in Germany, can you have 5 children? If you are working in Germany, how are you going to pay house rent? How are you going to take care of them? How much are they going to pay you in your place of work? You people should do something right. I'm talking to you out of experience right now. Yes, that is why I am here. Make this part, to talk about it. Because you people will not stop. You make them to look down on us. You make them to look down on Nigerians. You make the German people to look down on Nigerians. When they mention Nigeria, they shake their head. They mention anywhere they mention Nigeria, they shake their head. They start to leak each other's secrets. Any person when he borrow papa for a pikin, they'll go tell the social. Say, see this one, borrow papa for a pikin. Anybody They want to know your story, so that they will go tell the government. If you quarrel with them small, they will begin to laugh you. They will begin to go. If you even tell their secret, they will go talk am for there. Make una hear what asylum people. Make una know they talk una secret, because asylum people, asylum seeker, they not be people wey they make friend with. I don't know how God take born them, because as they create them finish, as they come grow, come enter, pass that water, enter Europe, come seek asylum from Italy, come enter Germany. You see their mind is there for here, because they can do anything. You can't imagine somebody when there for water for how many months. It's water that cross that big river. How can that person have sympathy? How can that person have feelings? No, you cannot have feelings for you. How can that person, how can you play with the intelligence of that person? How can you live in the same place with that person? They'll carry somebody that has deadly disease that will bring it and live with you. Some people will even get house. They will give them document. They don't want to stick them for asylum house, because they don't want to pay for water. They don't want to pay for life. They don't want to work. They don't want to go to school. They love asylum house. Then they born pikin. Then they born every this thing. A year and 6 months. Now they born 2 children at a time. Yes, I don't see person like that. Now what I see now they talk, not be what I don't see. What did they do now? School they not go gree go. You not go see one person, Nigerian person for school. Now few now you go see for there. Tomorrow they go start school. Next tomorrow you go see them with belle. Why? Their neighbor don't born pikin. They want born. Their neighbor don't get one pikin. If their neighbor just born boy now, tomorrow you say they don't get belle. She said one born. If their neighbor born 2 guys, she said don't get belle. One born pikin. Why not they behave like this? Why not nothing change? If you go supermarket na wahala. Now so go they still they go. If they can't see innocent person, they come they tell that eye they look am. Put them for the person body. They go they steal for supermarket. They go they steal for even second hand shop. Then they go steal. They go wear the clothes inside before they go come out. Second hand clothes will be €2. They go wear am inside. I don't see somebody when he go second hand shop. He begin wear the clothes. They wear am. You know if you buy what it be €2 and you get 4 pikin. You know if you buy second hand clothes for €1.50. You see they steal am for there. Why they not go run for us? Why they not go use bad eye? They look black. Because no matter how they fight for now, goat na goat. If they carry goat enter aeroplane, now so goat go still say they do bad for inside the aeroplane. Goat not the great change. You know the great change at all. Goat na goat. Goat can never change. Now so, house help na house help. You don't get where you go do mumu reach. You carry mumu enter inside plane. Mumu go say carry in luggage. You go carry am for head. Why? Because na mumu e be. That one na make am be good. See they do the shit they go. See they do bear for inside plane. Why? Because na goat. Then na they feel na they cause. Say Buhari say Nigeria youth say they be disgrace. Say they not they useful. Now they cause am. Now they useful. Nigeria youth when they asylum house. Now they useful. Now they work. What do they do to born children? Follow na her wife their house. Now we wake up in the morning. What do they do? They drink. You must just now to carry money, now to they drink. Now to they drink. You and my wife gonna go they fight because of the money. When they pay, as an hotel share am. When they born pikin, the day when those pikin head go cash you now. Except maybe they just live una. Una just give those children good life by una self. Carry them go university by una self. Now those children, their spirit no go disturb una. But if una born those children, come this world Now say na benefit. Now na come look for benefit. Na benefit say make una born pikin. Na government say make una born pikin. One na dey look for benefit up and down. Anywhere, any social house wey dey make gbege for benefit, na dem go fit reach there. I no want to dey mention, I group all of them together. Oh, say Nigeria people. You understand me? I group all of them together. You come see those one wey no be Nigeria, wey still be black. Na so Sierra Leone, Uganda, the Sierra Leone, they dey use madness, and the madness now, the drug wey they give them, they don dey mad well. They dey mad, they go for street. They dey use police, they arrest each other. Police, court, police, court. They just first give them 1 year document. Now so police, they dey use police. They go even use wound themselves and carry the una go police station. Which kind life be that one? Dirty life upon dirty life, disgusting life. Disgusting life. Sometimes I wish I don't have this color to paint myself to black, because where I came from, in this Europe I came from, this is not the way it works. Make I go. I never finish. You know, easy. Greetings, the who and see. We started schooling. I get some levels. I started getting used, but it was difficult. It wasn't easy for me and my daughter to get used to the system. The system was so, that is the system was so hard. The system was not easy. It was a very difficult task for me. What about my flatmate? Getting a good flatmate was hard. They like to fight every time. They fight the Nigerians and other black country. They fight. They don't care who they bring to stay with you as a flatmate. Many things went wrong. Sometimes life you live in asylum was unfair to me. Sometimes the life I live in asylum was unfair to me, and it was hard to me and my daughter, that my daughter could not manage it. It was very, very difficult for my daughter to manage. So this is what I now sat down. This story is a true life story, narrated by Joy, but presented by Bose Corners TV, edited by Shantobi. Thank you guys. Till we meet again. If you like my story, don't forget to click on my notification bell, or like or share. Don't forget to leave your comment. Guys, I want to say bye right now. I beg, if you subscribe to me, hey, if you subscribe, you unsubscribe me before or again, I beg, go back, go subscribe, share my video here. I beg you, we be family. Now your beautiful mama now. The only, if you know say you like my story, may you give me kiss, so yeah, we go to meet again. Thank you. God bless.